In this video, let's see how to send a document in bulk using multi-role templates and add pre-filled fields. First, let's edit an existing multi-role template to add the pre-filled fields. To add pre-filled fields, first replace the field with a text field. In the right sidebar, check the pre-fill field option and add the name of the field and field label. Similarly, make sure to add any additional fields you need to pre-fill before sending the document for signature. Click Save Template in the top right corner to save your changes and send the document for signature. Select Send in Bulk in the modal and download the sample CSV to get a template for signers. Your CSV will now include rows for the pre-fill fields. Enter the relevant information in each row and upload the document on Signeasy. Next, double-check the signer details and pre-filled fields in the document. When you're ready, select Send for signature. Once sent, each signatory will receive an individual document with the pre-filled information already populated. That's it. With bulk send, you now have more control and flexibility over how documents are sent and signed.